video. So, I'm gonna continue working on my plane. And, yeah, I got a new loadout, new animal thingy. I accidentally wasted long time on it, and it did not work out so well, but whatever, let's use it anyway. Ugh, sound like a clogged toilet. Okay, so here we are. Let's get to the den. Yeah. Now, if it has collisions, this could be the best thing ever. If it doesn't, it could be the worst thing ever. Only way to find out. Yeah. 5 new things? Didn't know 5 new things. Sorry, for a second I thought it was black. It has collisions. Woo! Get the fuck on there. Fuck. Bad. No. Shit. Damn it. Get the... Ow! Get on. Get on. Get on. Get on the front. She's... Scheiße. This is problem. Big problem. Damn it. Shit. End of the line. F. I don't have another 15 to spin, so I can't make an excuse to put it on there. Worst case scenario, we have to move the entire plane. Unless we can just slap it on the top and then call it a helicopter. Which, no. This is not a helicopter. Helicopter? Helicopter. Fuck. Get the fuck there. Come on. What's that beat is painful. Damn. And I don't want to say these words, but just damn, this is real fucky bad. That's language. I wish I could just rotate the screen. I can rotate the object like that, but I already knew about that. You know what this means? You know what this means? Annual inspection. Anal inspection. Sorry. Huh? I can stack this? Oh, imagine the amount of exploits I can do with this. Ow, my bum. What? Okay, dokie. So, can I try this? Yes, I can. Thanks, DJ. I totally didn't steal the DJ board for this. So, where did you steal my DJ board for this? I did not steal for this. I want musical playing. Okay. That'll be $50. She's it. Huh? Wait. Oh no. Oh no. The plushie's under attack by propeller blade. Decapitation is denied. Oh, and then she dies. Good. No. I mean, why would you put a helicopter blade so that's the thing. Don't know if that go there, but huh? No. Shit. Huh. Well, let's convert plane to helicopter. The series is officially now helicopter. Bye.